Completing the square looks scary at first, but the whole idea is actually really kind. We are not guessing. We are rebuilding a square one piece at a time. Start by moving the constant, keep the x to the power of 2 and the 6x together on the left. Add the same missing square on both sides, plus 9 plus 9. The left side factors into quantity x plus 3 to the power of 2. That is why we completed the square. Square root both sides. Since 13 is not a perfect square, we leave it exact. Then subtract 3. Final answer is x equals negative 3 plus or minus square root of 13. You did it. Once you know the move, this is very manageable. Now your turn. Same pattern, new numbers. Try all 3 before the solutions appear. You only need 4 steps. Move, half, square, then factor. Pause here and solve. Question 1. We start by moving the constant. Now half of 8 is 4. Square it and it is 16. Add that exact same 16 to both sides. The left side becomes quantity, x plus 4 to the power of 2, and then the right side becomes 5. Square root, then subtract 4, and then it is x equals negative 4 plus or minus square root 5. Question 2 has a negative middle term, but the idea does not change. Half of negative 4 is negative 2. Square negative 2 and you still get positive 4. Add it to the both sides. So the left side becomes quantity x minus 2 to the power of 2 and the right side is 6. Square root, then add 2 and then it will be x equals 2 plus or minus square root 6. Last one, same move with one extra simplification at the end. Half of 10 is 5. Square 5 to get 25, then add 25 to the both sides. Now the left side is quantity x plus 5 to the power of 2 and the right side is 12. Square root both sides, we get square root 12. Square root 12 simplifies to 2 times the square root of 3. So x is equal to negative 5 plus or minus 2 times the square root of 3. Look at that, all 3 use the same move. Half it, square it, add it, then factor it. That is completing the square. It is not magic, it is a pattern you can practice.